Are you selling to schools and colleges? Whether you provide innovative robotics kits, the latest textbooks, or essential services, your success depends on one thing: connecting with the right institutions. But finding them is a challenge. Manual research is slow. Purchased lists are outdated. Your sales team is wasting valuable time searching instead of selling. This is an AI agent I built to do it for me. Watch. One click, and the agent goes to work. It's now searching Google Maps for every school in my city, Bhadohi, extracting the name, address, and phone number, and feeding it directly into my Google Sheet. This is your dedicated market researcher, working 24/7. Our agent automatically scans entire cities, pulls real-time contact information from verified sources, and builds you a perfect, clean lead list directly in a Google Sheet. Watch. You need to target a new city like Bhadohi? With one click, the agent goes to work. For robotics companies, this means an instant list of every school for your product demos. For book publishers, this means accurate addresses for your catalogs and sales calls. For any service provider, it means entering a new market in the morning and having a complete list of potential clients by the afternoon. Stop buying outdated lists. Stop wasting valuable hours on manual data entry. Empower your sales team with the fresh, accurate data they need to dominate the market. This isn't just automation, it's a competitive advantage. Ready to get your perfect lead list? Contact us today to learn how our AI agent can be customized for your business.